immediate signal for Bairstow. Just drops it into the leg side.
And he's not on the field to start.
Misfield by the skipper. Lees has let that one through his legs. Slightly sloppy. He'll be annoyed at himself. Opens the face there, Bairstow. Nice shot. Knows there's not a fielder down at third, so picks up his second boundary of the over 10 off the first over. Bairstow opening the face up. This is good cricket from Jonny Bairstow because he knows that shot is easy for him, right?
Shot. Nicely played by George Hill. Got his eye in, pulled it into the surface.
Pulled down leg side. Oh, just got, I think, probably a glove on that. Ollie Robinson put the dive in. Put away by Jonny Bairstow. Matthew Potts dropping short. Bairstow pretty emphatically pulling that one.
Pulled. There's the breakthrough. The first wicket of the morning session goes to Colin Ackermann. Ben McKinney too short from Ackermann, and Revis punishes that through point for his first runs.
Bairstow works that nicely past Graham Clark. It's a lovely shot. That's all about touch and timing from Jonny Bairstow. 4 runs. Lovely shot. Only to run for those, Jonny Bairstow. He moves to 46. Overpitched in his arc, straight as you like. Crawley might get going.
That is a lovely cover drive from Jonny Bairstow, and that'll bring him his 50. Gloriously pulled by Bairstow. Finds the gap.
Sharp.
Beautiful from Matt Revis. Pulled. This time, Amelia Gay can get a hand to it. Up now by exactly 100 runs in the opening session. A lot of hard work.
Behind square. And Emilio Gay can't quite get there. 4 more for...
I want to know who paid for Cameron to play for Gloucestershire this season.
Pulled. 4. Into the gap, behind square. Set up nicely. Swivel from Bairstow. He moves on to 79.
Revis. And Revis dispatches him to the fence. But that will be 4. Wicket! What do I know, Sam Dowling? I just said it was fairly sedate out there.
Flicked into the leg side. Well fielded at short mid wicket. They're wearing black armbands. They're just coming together, the two umpires, Saggers and Shan Mugan. Maybe to have a chat about the light. Are they going to take a reading? Maybe about the rain.